Hey, Dulcie. Okay, so when you go to your Mind Tap, let me just click on this. So this is where it'll come up, your Mind Tap, and then you go to Open Gradebook, and then to see your quiz grades, you'll go to your quiz. In this class, I only have one dude in here. But then you can go up here to this grade book, and then you can see his everything. You can go to the grade book. So then, if you're going to transfer that into Moodle, I mean, you can just do it however you want to. It's just going to be a manually typing in the grades into your Moodle. So you can write it in your grade book first and then go type it into your Moodle, ever what you want to do. So let's go to, I'm going to go to a different class for the, so here's a different class. So when you go to your regular page, go to Open Gradebook. Of course, it's doing something stupid. Just go back to, let's try this one. I've been in here for a while and it might click me out. Okay, so I'm in my gradebook right now, and if I want to go to the scenarios, you go to Grade Now. I haven't graded this little gal's because she is English is her second language, and man, her stuff is rough. So you'll click on her pencil, or you just go to Grade Assignment. And it takes a long time, especially for scenarios. It takes long for it to pull up. I don't know why. And it may have clicked me out. Heck. Okay, I'm going to start over. Okay, so I am in, go to my courses, go to this, 216. You don't have to do that this way every time. This is how I sometimes get there, get to where I want to go. Okay, gradebook again, down here. Okay, then we're going to go to the scenario because that's what we're trying to grade. Go to Grade Now. Go over here to this Grade Assignment. Then you can take this out of there, this side. Then we wait. Okay, then up here it says View Student Work. And it's good to just remember what the assignment was and what they're supposed to be doing before you even get in there, so you can review all this stuff. Then you click on the student work, and you see that the difference is, so you know that Gabby has finished her work versus Braylee, who has not, because Gabby has 2 out of 2, that means completed, and Braylee has 0 out of 2 completed. So I'm going to click on Gabby, and so you'll go to View, and then here is her work, which again, she's having trouble. And then I go to Grade Assignment. This is where you get to your rubric. So you just click through here, whatever you want to grade her, and then right here, it'll put grade. And then, let's see, down at the bottom where you can't see it because of my screen. Anyway, it'll have down at the bottom where you can write comments. Okay, now, oops, click the wrong thing. So now let's go to Open Gradebook and we'll go to the case study. If you have a case study to grade, it'll say video case. Let's see, let's look at, well, you can just go to grade assignment. And then, so here's the, then you go up here, this is question 1 and question 2. So for Gabby, since this is blue, so for Gabby, I'll go to question 1. And remember, you always have to scroll up for whatever reason. And then her answer will be in the box. And then go to question 2, read that. You usually have to scroll up. Her answer will be in the box. And then to edit score, it's over here in green. So you just put whatever you want. I mean, and you can take off points for whatever reason you want to, but anyway, you put the score here. And then you can put your comments down here. And you'll just hit save. And, you know, I guess Gabby's going to get a 100 on this because she tried. And then, you know, I can put a comment here. And after you type in your comment, you'll have to click post comment. So I thought that might help you a little more than trying to type out the instructions. But if it did not, how about call me?